Assalamu alaikum, world GSM friend. Today's subject Walton next N71 flash file hang logo date mode repair auto on off display white screen only SPD port show. This file 100% working. Okay. Now we see download any problem, email and WhatsApp start now 24-hour service. Okay. Next, Oppo. This Oppo model, new model, security update. No problem. If mobile your hang logo, camera fax, auto on off, baseband repair, rotate mode, only empty port show, but any problem, this solve this my file. Oppo A79 5G CPH2553 scatter file. Okay, 100% working. Now we see the mouse up, down, and the download. The download now. Any download problem, email and WhatsApp number, 24-hour service, but this file paid. My friend, you don't worry. This file 100% working. I am promise. This file only unlock tool flash. If your scatter file, any model, any tool, this flashing now, the date mode mobile is running this magic file. You don't worry, my file 100% working. The download now, download any complaint, any problem, M1 WhatsApp, 24-hour service. This website, order, Barsa mobile, country Bangladesh country code, +88 01718 242241. This file download. Okay. All GSM pen at first, my request, my YouTube channel subscriber, like and comment and Facebook share. And I am very confused. I am very sorry. The description no link, just link, comment box check now. This comment box no link, any browser open. What browser open? The browser open. This browser open. Now see Google, the Barsa mobile. This Barsa. Now you see Barsa mobile right now. Okay. Wait. Baby. Now see Barsa. BOR. Now see. This Barsa mobile. Right now. The Barsa mobile. Okay, no problem. The blogger site. One click open now. The magic system. Many file. I am very confused. Any file you need. Any file you need. Just is search now. Okay. A97. A79. Just one click search now. Okay. This click now. The option download. Download now. Download any problem. WhatsApp start now 24-hour service. But fade file. You don't worry. My file 100% working. Goodbye.